In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can easily change hair colors in Adobe Photoshop. So I want to change the hair color of this woman here. In my layers, I'm going to make a duplicate of this picture, which I can do by pressing Ctrl-Command-J or just dragging it on top of this icon there. So with this duplicate layer selected, I'm going to go to Filter, and here I'm going to choose the Camera Raw filter or use the Shift-Control-Command-A shortcut. And then here in this new pop-up window, I'm going to choose Create a Mask by clicking here at the right side. And then here, if you wait for a moment, you can see that here beneath we get people and we can select that person. So we're not going to use the options here. We're not going to use subject or landscape or whatever. We're going to wait until it shows people here, and then we're going to click this. And then here it makes it really easy. You can choose which part you want to change. So for example, you can choose the facial skin, the body skin, the eyebrows. As you can see, it really shows her eyebrows when we do that. Lips, hair, clothes, also very easy to change, but for this tutorial we're going to change the hair. And as you can see, it really chooses the entirety of her hair. And now we click Create. Now we have created a mask, and we can change the color using the hue. We can say use fine adjustment, and we're just going to move that color around here. If you deselect use fine adjustment, then you can move around much easier. And we're going to give her something blue. And if you now say use fine adjustment, you can tweak it a bit more to your liking. You can also adjust the exposure here, contrast if you want to, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. And then the saturation can also be adjusted, the tint, the temperature, the hue. You can all adjust those things here. And then if you're happy, which by the way you can also choose add, and then you can choose to add things with your brush. But if you're happy with what you created, then you press OK. And now Photoshop will start thinking, and it's as easy as that to change the hair color of a person in a picture using Adobe Photoshop. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.